folks, it's been a while. Today we're doing a drink that I'm calling a rose limeade, or limeade, if you want to get fancy with it. I was gifted this rose simple syrup, so I wanted to do something that uses that. I found a recipe online that uses sparkling lemonade, but I don't have any of that. So instead, I'm using just standard lime flavored seltzer. I think that'll be good, so that's why we're doing a rose limeade. Starting off, you got 1 shot of gin. According to the recipe, this is going to be 2 shots of gin. It's all part of the jigger. It's also like a lot less of the lemon, sparkling lemon in the original recipe. And then we have Royal Rose. I don't know how this is supposed to pour. This is a very fancy bottle. It's oh, it's supposed to be the small side anyways. I'm taking this top thing off. The top thing was a sealer. Nothing would have come out. It wasn't supposed to come out.
Just checking the seal on it.
That's fine. If the seal works. I can already tell you that stuff tastes really good. I had like a little accidental taste of it. Add some ice to this. I'm just gonna do 2. That way I don't have to get like a stirring apparatus. I can just use those 2 to stir everything up. You know, it's sophisticated. Then we add our lime flavored, unsweetened, sparkling water. I changed my mind. I am going to stir this a little more because the syrup does tend to settle to the bottom. Madam, would you like to do the honors?
Oh yeah.
Snap.
It's very subtle, very light.
Like, pretty good.
Yeah. Refreshing.
The gin and the...
I can taste rose, like the rose, very, very strongly, but it's not like oppressive or whatever.
I think it's a combination of like the gin.
Yeah.
Like, the gin is already really a floral thing.
Yeah, it definitely brings out the...
Yeah, the combination really like accentuates the rose. Anyways, if you have rose liqueur, mix it with gin, I guess. That's like the thing to do. There's a bunch of other recipes I've seen online, so do one of those. Or do this one. Do this one. And then tell me what it was like in the comments. No one ever comments on these things. Anyways, try it. See ya.